Hey, what's up guys? This is day 2 of the Atlantis Bahamas trip. In this video, we will be doing the room tour of the Ocean Studio Room at the Reef. Day 1, we did the room tour of the Harbor Studio Room. If you are interested in that, please use the link in the descriptions. This is a long video, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Enough talking, let's get into it. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Boa, and this is day 2 of the Bahama Atlantis. And I'm gonna show you our new room. And this is the Ocean View Studio Room. Right now we're on the 18th floor, and let's see how the room looks like. Oh, by the way, this is the Reef building. It looks like exactly the same. Double sink, a nice tub. She had a lot of fun playing in the tub. So, very nice closet, bathrobes, slippers. She keep coming over here and pressing these buttons and changing the codes. So you gotta watch out for kids changing the codes right here. Nice king size bed. So the good thing about the Reef building is you got your little kitchen right here. You could cook some stuff. They should have a microwave. They got a dishwasher. Where is... Oh, here we go. What's better about this room? It comes with a blender. A pot, a pan to cook your eggs. This is a mini bar, okay? There's nothing in there, empty. Water maker, coffee machine. Look in there. All the cups and plates you will ever need. They got a toaster here to make toast because, you know, you need to eat toast, right? When you make eggs. Simple as that. Everything you need. Refrigerator. No water, okay? So even in the Ocean View Studio Room, you still need to go downstairs into the courtyard and then refill your water. Okay, the best part of this room, let's go. Bam! The best part of this room has got to be the view, huh? You're paying for the view. As you can see, the view of the Ocean Studio Room does not disappoint. It is very windy if you are up in the higher floors, but the view you get is awesome. So, that's it for the Atlantis, the Reef, Ocean Front View Studio Room. So, this is the first morning at Bahamas, Atlantis. And look what I got here. Breakfast in bed. In-room dining. First, we got the delicious tonkatsu ramen. Oh, let's have a taste. Then second, we got the fresh udon. Fresh udon. We got some carbs here, some nice butter bread, chocolate bun, and hot coffee. Anyway, you know what all this cost me? It didn't cost me anything because I didn't buy it from Atlantis. All this here is brought from home because if you're gonna go eat breakfast outside Atlantis, it's gonna cost you at least $20 to $30 a person. So if we went to eat breakfast today, it would be like $6 with tips and taxes and all that junky. You know how much the tax here? The tax here is 8% tax, and then a lot of restaurants include their own tips. So it's like 15% tips on top of that. So your breakfast is gonna cost at least $50 to $60 for a breakfast. And I'm a cheap person, so I got it for free. Well, good thing this room has a hot water machine, because if you got a hot water machine, you can make these noodles. However, if your room, the room we're staying right now is the Reef, they have the kitchen, they have the hot water machine. But if you stay in like the other rooms, like let's say, if you stay in the other rooms like Coral, Royal, and Beach, maybe they have, right? Whatever. You just have to make sure your room has a hot water machine. If it doesn't have a hot water machine, just bring your own. Just put it in your luggage. It's not that big, and you could do a lot of things. You can make tea, you can make coffee, you can make noodles. Save yourself $60. Because when you go outside and eat breakfast, it's gonna be all the same thing. They're all gonna give you like eggs and sausage and toast. Actually, those things are, you know, they're just really, really not exciting breakfasts. It's just regular breakfasts. So if you get creative, you can make your own breakfast. That's way better than that. All right, guys. See you later. You see this, guys? If you have little kids, make sure they don't eat these detergent things that's inside the drawers. Take them all out and put it on the top of the drawer right here so they don't eat it.
Another great thing about the Reef is that you get your own Starbucks right at the lobby.
Expect to wait around 30 minutes to get your coffee because it's packed in the morning. If I was you, I would just make coffee in your room. Here is the Royal main lobby. If you are staying at the Royal rooms, you will be greeted with a very grand lobby. The Reef lobby is very small and quiet compared to the Royal. If you are staying at the Reef, you can easily walk to this lobby very shortly. In my opinion, I enjoyed walking all over the Atlantis area rather than waiting and taking the shuttle. Walking around is very enjoyable. There's shade everywhere, so you don't have to walk in the sun. It's nice and breezy, even if it's very hot outside, just as long as you walk in the cool shade. This is the Cove lobby. I have not stayed in the Cove rooms, but after seeing the Cove prices, I think I'm happy to stay at the Royal or the Reef, and I'm okay with that. For lunch, we went to Olive's. This restaurant is located in the casino. Here is the steak and eggs. We also had red velvet waffles with bacon. Everything tastes good and was very well priced. This is the Royal Lobby area. There's a very nice aquarium that is free to visit. My kid has so much fun looking at the fishes. It's a great way to spend an hour. This is Cascades, a place to get lunch next to the pools. The prices looks pretty fair if you want a quick bite while lounging at the pools. This is Sip Sip. It's the bar at the adults only pool. This is Aquaventure, which is one of the great attractions at Atlantis. Which includes the cool, lazy river pool. We spent the afternoon at the kids section. Atlantis has an amazing kids water park. No doubt your kids will have so much fun here. So guys, take a look over here. This is the Reef where we are staying, the Reef building. So it's literally like just 2 minutes walk down to the beach right here. That's the Cove building over there. And then all the way on the other side is the Coral building. Royal, actually Royal. The one all the way over there is the Royal building. So if you stay at the Reef, you're most likely gonna go to this beach right here. Look how clean the sand is. Yeah. That's it. You guys see how clear this water is? Come on. Hey guys, today's the second night at Atlantis Bahamas. Look at the room service we got today. With the spare ribs, right, spare ribs, French fries. And this is the tomato soup with vegetables. And beef. Hungry. Then we got some complimentary bread. Complimentary. Then we got some ramen noodles. Wow, that's spicy. Look at that smell from fresh black powder. There you go. And then you got some white wine to wash it down. Oh. It's okay. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. This is just all food that I brought from home. And this is leftover from yesterday at Anthony's. This is instant noodles. And this is instant hot pot. 7-Eleven bread. And this was already in the room. Alright? So dinner in Atlantis don't have to cost you anything. You see that? Hot pot tomato flavor. Leftover 7-Eleven buns. Leftover ribs from yesterday's dinner. This is all this. You don't need a pot to cook it, but we're just using it so it's quicker. I'm gonna leave a link below to the village grocery store where you can buy water and daily goods. I highly recommend you go visit a grocery store as soon as possible. Unless you don't mind to drink the water at Atlantis water fountains. You go to Anthony's, all right? So from Anthony's, you walk in and then you see Dunkin' Donuts and then you just make a right. And you just make a right and then you're gonna see a small little shop that sells all this stuff there. I don't know the name of it. I'll try to find a name, and if I find a name, I'll put it in the description right here. See? See? Your boy Boa hooked it up, you know what I'm saying? That's it, guys, for day 2 of the Atlantis trip. Subscribe to the channel to see day 3. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Remember to hook me up and click that like button. Have a nice day.